Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Dodge Ram Key Fob. First, let's tackle the most common problem, a dead battery. Grab a small flathead screwdriver and gently pry open your key fob case. You'll find a small, round battery inside. Carefully remove it and replace it with a fresh CR2032 battery. This simple step often resolves many key fob issues, getting you back on the road quickly and efficiently. If a new battery doesn't solve the problem, reprogramming might be necessary. Insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, press and hold the lock button on your key fob for about 15 seconds. After holding, turn the ignition to off and remove the key. Test your fob to see if it's now working correctly. Still having trouble? Let's look deeper. Carefully open your key fob again and inspect the circuit board. Look for any signs of visible damage, like cracks or corrosion on the metal contacts. You can gently clean these contact points with a cotton swab lightly dampened with rubbing alcohol. Allow it to dry completely before reassembling. This can sometimes fix intermittent connection problems. If you've tried all these steps and your Dodge Ram Key Fob still isn't working, it might be time to consult a professional. A dealership or an automotive locksmith has specialized tools to diagnose more complex electronic issues or program a completely new key fob if yours is beyond repair. They can ensure your vehicle's security system is properly integrated. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.